So in this video, I'm answering Oscar's question about those kind of letters you might have seen scattered in French text. C apostrophe, G apostrophe, Q, U apostrophe, S apostrophe. Salut, I'm Marie, I'm a French native teacher and I help French learners to understand and use the French language. If you're serious about learning French, join us at the French Club to know more about how to learn French and get notified each time a new video or a new workshop is uploaded. This type of single letter followed by an apostrophe is called une elision, and it's used to replace a letter. So when you see something like S apostrophe or N apostrophe, that means this first letter used to be a full word. But to make pronunciation easier, or just because we want to speak faster, we got rid of the rest of the word. Originally, this only happened when the word after it started with a vowel. In standard French, there are only 9 official elisions. G apostrophe, that replaces the subject je, like in a sentence, j'ai froid, I am cold. Because E starts with a vowel, we have to glue je and E together, and we do that by getting rid of the E by putting an apostrophe instead. J'ai froid, and not je ai froid. L apostrophe replaces the articles le ou la. Like in a sentence, l'éléphant est gris, the elephant is grey. Because éléphant starts with a vowel, we don't say le éléphant, we say l'éléphant. C apostrophe replaces the subjects ce ou ça, which are used to mean it in French. Like in a sentence, c'était bien, it was good. Because été starts with a vowel, we don't say ce était, but c'était. N apostrophe replaces the ne of the negation. Like in a sentence, je n'en veux pas, I don't want it. Because en starts with a vowel, we don't say je ne en veux pas, we say je n'en veux pas. T apostrophe, M apostrophe, and S apostrophes replaced te, me, and se in the case of pronominal verbs. Now, pronominal verbs are verbs that need 2 pronouns to make sense. In English, you just put a second pronoun after your verb and voila, you have it. I love you, you love me, he loves himself. In French, this second pronoun will be placed before the verb. So it's not je aime toi, but je te aime. It's not tu aimes moi, it's tu me aimes. And it's not il aime lui, it's il se aime. Now see how we have a verb that starts with a vowel? Well, we have to get rid of these e's then. So je t'aime, tu m'aimes, il s'aime. D apostrophe replaces the preposition de when there is a word starting with a vowel after it. In the sentence, je viens d'Amiens, I come from Amiens, because Amiens starts with a vowel, we don't say je viens de Amiens, but d'Amiens, je viens d'Amiens. And finally, Q apostrophe replaces que when there is a word starting with a vowel after it. So in a sentence, qu'est-ce que tu fais là? Qu'est-ce que tu fais là? What are you doing here? We say qu'est-ce que because et starts with a vowel. Now, that's all the official elisions, but as French evolves, it tends to use more and more of those elisions, especially to get rid of this e sound at the end of a word. If you're following my series on French songs, you might recognize this line. Donc je me dis que si t'es avec lui, tu te sentiras mieux. Mais si tu te sens mieux, tu te souviendras plus de moi. It comes from the song Macarena of Damso, and it's a very good example of modern French with a lot of elisions. Je me dis becomes je me dis. Even if me starts with a vowel, we shorten it anyway. Si, we get rid of the e. Sentira, we get rid of the e again. Now, this elision business is usually how languages evolve. We try to say a lot in a short period of time. We try to get more efficient when we speak, and so we get rid of what is not necessary. And in French, that means getting rid of this e sound as much as possible. I hope you learned something new today. If you want more French lessons, I made a playlist. If you have questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to make a video about it. And in the meantime, I say to you, à la prochaine!